Morning. What's this? Merry Christmas, Tate.
Cat!
What?
Cat!
Is it?
Cat!
What does it say?
Look! Cat!
Do you think it's a cat?
Yeah! Cat!
What do you think, Tristan?
Cat! Cat! Open it! Open it! Open it!
What does it say on there?
Let's read it. 2. Tate and Tristan. This one's for you too. For both of you. From Santa.
Look in there, look at the box.
Open it, Dad!
Quick, have a look.
Why is... Oh!
Santa brought you a cat.
Look! Go pet her!
You want to get her out?
Yeah.
Come on. Let's get her out. Yeah, give her a hold. Just be gentle. I think Santa brought you a new cat.
Oh my gosh, Tate!
What do you think?
Look, Tristan!
You gonna pat it? Pat her? Tate, careful how you're holding her.
Let her run around, she'll be alright. She just turned
Mm.
up.
Look, watch out, she's behind you. Tate! Oh. She's a little bit scared because she's in a new home.
Yeah, she's very young.
Yeah, she's at a...
Get a new home.
Oh!
Man, can you get her
I
tissue
can take
tissue?
this
It's not a
out
nose.
for a
So.
ride! There's a...
Get a seatbelt.
Here.
Wipe your nose, darling.
Tristan, your bike! Your bike!
Okay, Jake. You gonna hand out the presents?
What?
Fuck. Oh shit.
The cat is under. Get the cat.
That's alright, let her explore. Let's move your bike out of the way, hey?
Yeah, for the cat.
You got an Elsa bike.
Yeah, sit down.
It's so sweet. I can't believe we have a cat.
No.
Where can this go?
You girls
On
want to
here?
give them a good name.
Not now.
Yeah. She's got it. She might just want to run around.
Yeah, I think she's gonna run around. Dad's gonna hand the presents out in a minute.
Get your present first, look.
Oh man.
Look at that one. Umbrellas.
Oh, I like that one. Don't open it inside.
That's your stocking, Tristan.
Umbrellas.
That's yours. Watch out for my TV.
Tristan, look at your umbrella.
Actually, no, sorry. You got the wrong ones. That's your stocking. Your stocking's over here, Tristan.
That's your stuff.
Where's the cookies gone?
Here. Hey,
Santa ate it.
did you read the letter?
And the milk?
He's looking at that.
Whoops!
Oh.
You're gonna hang you from cat.
Oh.
What? Oh, we need cat food now.
Wow.
Well, your dad's gonna pass out the presents in a moment.
Santa's.
Maybe Santa organised something.
I think you might be able to read some of this.
I get it. Dear Tate and Tristan.
Dear Tate and Tristan.
Thank you so much for the
Delicious.
delicious cookies and milk.
Thank you so much for the delicious cookies and milk.
At the heaviest
There.
Hey, look at the
The reindeers loved their carrot
carrot.
over there, look,
Yeah.
and shared all together. So they had one little bite each.
Yeah.
What's that say?
I will make
Sure
sure
to take
take
the
the
elves
snakes to the
North
North
Pole.
Pole.
I will make sure to take the elves' snacks back to the North Pole. So they're all gone.
Yeah.
What's next?
You can read it.
I hope you like your Christmas gifts. Enjoy your day and always remember to be good and kind little girls. Lots of love, Santa.
Who moved me in the bed?
I don't know.
Probably Santa.
Just to make sure you were asleep.
Alright, so what should we do first? Stockings?
Yeah.
Yeah. Go on then.
Go, take all the stuff out of your stockings. You can take it off the thing if you want to.
Ah! Because my other umbrella is broken.
Open it. Rip it.
You wonder what that is?
What you got?
Yeah. Ooh. It's a thing for the cat.
Oh, see? Santa was thinking,
Just rip the paper, baby.
you can't just get a cat with no toys.
Yeah.
Cool. You need to cut it to get
Okay.
it all.
Yeah.
Alright, I'll go get the scissors.
Yeah.
Hold that.
Yes. Yeah.
You might as well get a bag on your way back too for
I
rubbish.
have a cat now.
I can't believe you have it. You have to think of names. What are you going to name her?
Cookie.
Cookie, I told you, Cookie.
Cookie. Let's see what's in here.
You have to ask Tristan if that's a good name first.
Tristan, should we name the cat Cookie? She said yes. She said yes. Let me see what's in here. Oh, robot's car.
What's that?
You got it.
We'll put it on the table so you won't lose it.
Oh, yeah.
Oh my gosh.
Tristan,
What did you
put
get,
this
Tristan?
over here. What's that? What did you get?
You got a Roblox card too.
Robux.
Where? Just look. Put yours here. Throw the rubbish down on the floor.
Oh man, Santa was listening. You've been asking for that. Roblox. Robux. Okay.
It's all at the bottom, maybe.
Tip it out.
Tip it out on the floor over here.
Oh, it's so exciting.
Whoa! What's that?
Waffle.
A bath bomb.
Waffle. And a clip.
Oh, cute. You could clip your hair up right now. Look at it. Oh, what's in that one?
I'm just showing the cat the
Rip it open. Open it, baby. Do you need to go toilet? Did you wet the bed? You didn't. Good job.
not working.
Don't worry. She's still very young. She's only 8 weeks old.
Cutting.
So, we just need to be gentle, do her own thing. She'll come out and explore. But when she does want to play, you've got a fun little toy.
Yeah.
What is it? Quick, rip it open.
I thought it was only
What's that?
Hello.
Hello, Elsa.
Yay!
Yeah.
Let me see my.
Can you open that, please?
I was coughing a lot.
I was too last
Here,
night.
thank
and I
you.
woke up with a sore throat.
Tristan, let me put your hair up.
That's not
More?
Okay, I'll do half up, half down. There you go. Cute.
I think we all got the same thing.
what? We all got to stay fit.
No,
We all
I
got the same thing.
because
Hey.
Under there.
What is that?
Let's open it.
I think you asked Santa for that, didn't you?
Yeah.
Oh, you must have been listening.
But
Is that hers?
no, we tell Gigi to get it for us, but she didn't.
No.
Because she knew that Santa was gonna.
Yeah, had a funny feeling.
Put
Tristan,
your rubbish in here. No. I'll help you.
Mum will help you open it.
I'll find it.
Turn around. Chelsea, new hair. Oh, pretty.
Mine is the golden one. That one is the pink one. I wanted the pink one.
Oh,
You can't decide which one's what colour. That's nothing. That's nothing.
Look. It's a thing. I'm so excited for your cat.
I'm so glad.
So small and it's cute.
You're gonna have to look after it.
Yeah. Wait, it's a
You
book.
have to wet it.
Her.
Dad! Look!
What?
What's that?
What is that?
Let's see. Let's see what's in here.
Okay.
I didn't know you guys were going to video this when it was Christmas.
Yeah, it's Mum's idea.
Cool.
Where gets a look?
Oh, she blown a bubble.
Let's see what's in
Ooh, which one did you get?
Let me hit that.
Oh, she's not even looking. Oh no.
It's gonna run at me.
Which one did you get?
Bite me. This one.
Might be hungry. Do you think Santa's brought us some food too?
That one?
Oh. She that's bigger than me.
Okay.
That's okay. That's a cat. She's less little. She's ready for nose. No. Little.
What you got?
That's
Oh, there's something in here too.
pink.
More accessories.
That's a dress up. Shoes.
Sweet. So you got shoes, you got a dress,
And a water bottle.
and a water bottle.
Cute. You better put them on.
And now, for the best part.
That's its home. That box.
It is.
Because it come down a bit. Dad! Mine is the colour changing.
Yeah, they both.
Another one. Oh, the cat wants to have a look.
Are you going to put our little shoes on?
I thought
Oh, that's her outfit. Cute.
let's see what it looks like.
She's a baby. What's that?
Which one? Oh, whoa.
Oh, no. What? I thought it was
She looks like
wiping
Queen
on
Tay.
sometimes.
Look, she's doing the splits just like you.
I can't do it. One more thing. Another one.
You put her other little shoe on too.
Sunnies too.
Ha.
You got everything to dress her up. Put the glasses on. I've never seen those.
Oh. Hey. I don't know. Oh,
You gotta make sure you pick all this little stuff up.
what does
The cat might get it. Cookie. Cookie McDonald.
Cookie. Is that your name so far? Try and think of a few and we'll pick the best one.
Morning, Merry Christmas.
Oh, she's cute. But what?
No, don't worry, that's yours. No, it's alright.
No.
Can we open the presents now?
Okay.
They said, come on, Dad.
Come on, Dad. I'm not opening.
Hey,
Merry Christmas! We got a cat for Christmas!
What do you got?
Cat!
Kitten. Yeah.
Come! Come, Uncle!
Come on, go look at the kitten.
What, the real one?
Yeah.
Yes!
Look, the kid too. Look.
Very cute.
My knee.
Oh, you smell divine.
Yeah, what you doing? Where your bike? Where your bike? My Christmas
Hey,
cake,
no.
right?
Yeah.
Where, what's his name?
Cookie.
Uncle Cookie. Uncle Cookie.
Yeah, we got a new addition.
Yeah.
Alan, look, she got a bath bomb.
Oh shit, man. What time them was
Can
that?
I open this?
No, that's for bath time. Put it in your pile. Your stuff is. Oh no, that's Sissy's one.
Yeah, yours here, look. That's all
Take
the stuff
Penny.
here.
Open tapes, please, so I can put her head. Oh no, where's the scissors?
We are doing it correctly!
Here, tape.
What?
Dad's giving the present